Hello, here's what's moving the markets. Trade talks and oil prices remain in focus, and the US stocks make fresh highs with Nasdaq at all-time highs from positive earnings. Okay, let's break down the developing news. Asian equity markets traded mixed after the region failed to sustain the tailwinds from Wall Street, where strong blue chip earnings propelled the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq to fresh record closes, and the Nasdaq now at all-time highs. US stocks continue the bull run as earning reports continue to surprise the market, where initially the fear of global slowdown expected earnings to come in worse than expected. We could see a continuation of the bull run as giants such as Microsoft and Facebook will be reporting shortly. The White House confirmed that US-China trade talks will resume next week. Treasury Secretary Mnuchin and trade representatives will travel to Beijing for trade discussions beginning on the 30th of April. The White House noted next week's discussion will cover issues such as IP, forced tech transfers, non-tariff barriers, and enforcement. The US aims for a draft agreement in place by the end of May. As the fresh tariff talks restarts, the US has removed sanction waivers on Iranian oil imports, which had sent the price of crude higher this week so far. This move by the Trump administration will increase tensions and risks on trade and security with some key relationships, which includes China, Saudi members, South Korea, India, and Turkey. UK PMA has returned to work after the Easter recess, facing pressures from all sides. She is preparing to challenge the opposition Labour Party to support the Brexit bill before European Parliament elections, if cross-party discussions fail. But she will allow her opponent to add their own wants to the bill that would make the withdrawal agreement effective within weeks and may be successful at the next vote. In the FX markets, the dollar index consolidated near two-year highs. Eurodollar briefly dipped below the 112 handle, and cable failed to hold 130 handle, with PMA facing increasing pressure to step down. In the crypto market, Bitcoin held gains made yesterday as we continue to see Bitcoin's dominance increasing into altcoins. Looking ahead, highlights include the rate decision from the Bank of Canada, IFO economic activity indicator in Germany, and crude inventories will be watched closely. Earnings in focus today will be Boeing, Microsoft, Tesla, and Facebook. I'll see you in the next Traders Report. Thank you for listening and have a good trading day.